Yo, what's up guys, welcome back to another video. Today we're gonna talk about how you can get your teenage filter on your iPhone or Android phone on your TikTok. Here you can see it's the filter in which you are looking as teenager or older person. So basically I'm gonna show you how you can easily get this filter on your TikTok. So the very first thing what you need to do is just you have to make sure that you have an updated version of your TikTok. If any update is available, you have to open your Play Store or App Store and then update your TikTok from there. And after that, what you need to do is just you have to go to here in your TikTok, and then here what you need to do is just like this. Here you have to search for your teenage filter. Here you can see, here it is. So search for this and here tap on teenage look, and here what you need to do is just you have to use this effect here. So tap on this and here you can see, here this will look like this, and here your age will be teenage and here will be your original. So that's pretty much for today's tutorial. If the video is helpful, like the video, subscribe to the channel, and if you have any problem let me know in the comment. I will help you more. Thanks for watching.